We are pleased to show you the 2024 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.